1 tablespoon vinegar. 2 tablespoon mustard sauce. 1 tablespoon garlic powder. 1 teaspoon black pepper. 1 tablespoon red chili powder. 1 teaspoon soy sauce. Salt as per taste. 1 teaspoon paprika. Mix well. Marinate the chicken. Refrigerate for 15 minutes.
Meanwhile,
add half cup of all-purpose flour. 1 tablespoon red chili powder. 1 teaspoon black pepper. 1 teaspoon garlic powder. Salt. 4 tablespoon corn flour. 2 tablespoon rice flour. Mix and mix. Whisk 2 eggs. Add half cup milk and whisk again. 2 tablespoon chili sauce. Add mustard sauce. 5 tablespoon mayonnaise. Mix together.
15 minutes later.
Coat the marinated chicken. Deep fry the chicken for minutes each side. Now assemble the burgers. Do share your reviews, subscribe for more.